Clean Phone VPN is a comprehensive Android application designed to optimize device performance while providing privacy and security features through a virtual private network, VPN. This app serves a dual purpose, enhancing the efficiency of the user's phone and safeguarding online activities. The Clean Phone component focuses on cleaning and optimizing the device by removing unnecessary files, such as cache and junk files, which can slow down performance. It typically includes features like Memory Booster, File Manager, and App Manager, helping users manage storage space and improve their phone's speed. On the other hand, the VPN feature ensures that users' internet connections are secure and private. It encrypts online activities, masks the user's IP address, and allows access to geo-restricted content, enhancing privacy while browsing the web. This capability is particularly valuable for users concerned about their online security and data privacy. Overall, Clean Phone VPN is an essential tool for Android users seeking a combination of device optimization and enhanced online security, making it easier to maintain a smooth and safe mobile experience.